Hello everybody, Alpha Fragrance here with a new video, and in today's video we're gonna be talking about this guy right here, the new Versace Eros. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and drop us a comment down below and share my videos, please. It will be very appreciated. So without further ado, let's get started. So the fragrance of the day is Versace Eros, and this one is the newest release from the house Versace, which is the Parfum. So let's unbox it. Oh yeah, before I even do that, let me give you the batch code right away. It is MC2104, and I got it from the Macy's store. So nothing groundbreaking, it's still the same presentation and also packaging with the same Medusa logo on the front of the box and the same on, you know, the cap and the sprayer. The sprayer is still looking like gold. Let's see. Yeah, sprayer is excellent. Scent is superb like usual. I already sprayed some on the box. I like it. It smells fresher than the eau de toilette and the eau de parfum, if you're asking me. So if you like the Versace Eros DNA for men, but you wanted a fresher version of that, this is for you. And I think this one is gonna be a real long-lasting scent because the eau de toilette had no performance issues on my skin, and so with the eau de parfum. So the parfum is already expected to be either the same in the performance category, if not better, because it's a parfum concentrate. But I think this one is less sweet to my nose. It's not as sweet as the original one. So if you don't really like that, maybe this is not for you. Go buy the eau de toilette. The eau de parfum seems to be the balance between freshness and sweetness. So I don't know, if you're in between, maybe get the eau de parfum. This one is fresher. Still sweet, but not as sweet as the EDT. Let's see the notes breakdown. So according to Fragrantica.com, on the top we got mint and lemon, so freshness with the mint and citrus with the lemon. Mid notes we have green apple and geranium, and on the base we get tonka bean and amber. And this one is a very recent release. It just came out in the US, and also I think the nose behind it is still going to be Aurélien Guichard. So this guy was recently at the perfume show in Italy, so I think you might have seen him if you watched that. I really like it though. So far all the Versace Eros, beside the flame, which I'm not a big fan of, and it's a pass to me. So beside that, I tried all of them though. I own all of them, even the flame, but I don't wear it as much. The EDT is my favorite, but I'll try this one more and more before I can give you a full review. This one is just my initial impressions, but so far so good. And yeah, like I said, my favorite so far is the EDT. The EDP is very good too. I wear it, but I'm still rocking the EDT. So this one is according to a lot of reviewers and a lot of people who love this scent, a clubbing scent. But this one could also, it's a king of clubbing scent to a lot of people, including me. And I think you could even put this off for a date. I think it's gonna work out so well because it's sweet, and I think for the night go outs and dates, sweet scents are very good. And it's also fresh, so it's a bit volatile. Volatility is not the greatest, but it's good. But to a lot of people, it's, you know, very playful and youthful, so it fits more a teenager or people in the early 20s or mid 20s. But to me, it's subjective. You can pull off any scent that you like, even if you're older. But this one is apparently more grown up to a lot of people, but still a younger person can wear this though. It's still the same character and DNA. So I like it. It's bold, loud, sweet, and I like it for that reason, because it's, you know, easy to like too. It's very mass appealing, and it's not too pricey. It's relatively affordable. It's not cheap, it's not expensive, it's in between, and it's a cool brand. It's Versace, so yeah, it's cool to own a Versace fragrance. Compliment factor is supposed to be high like the other ones, and longevity is supposed to be long, 10 hours plus, but I'll give you my full reviews on this one when I give it more wears, because I have never worn the parfum. I tried the samples, but I didn't test it. Like, I just tried smell if I liked it or not. So usually this one is a great compliment fragrance. It's a really good complimented fragrance, and also, yeah, because it's mass appealing, like I said, and it's very powerful, strong. It's right there in your face, and I like that. And it's affordable, so I don't really see any drawback on this one. Yet nothing is perfect, but I don't really see any negative thing about this one. I enjoy it, and so the people, whenever I walk by them, they also enjoy it. So projection is also great, 3 feet plus. And I think this is it for this video. So thank you all for watching up to this point, and I really appreciate that. So make sure, if you liked it, give it a like and comment, and also subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos, you know, and share my videos. That would be very appreciated. So once again, thank you very much, and goodbye.
먼저キスをしたのかい？まだだよな。初めての相手はジョジョではない。殺してやった。